Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to set up an identifiable vote in TownVOTE. Sometimes you need to set up the TownVOTE voting agenda to show voters' names, but prevent herd mentality by hiding the individual results and subtotals until the vote is closed. Begin by setting up the grid size to your liking in the settings panel. For example, if you have around 20 voters, you can choose a 5x4 grid size. Adjust the size according to how many voters there are. In my case, I have 4 participants, so I will use a 2x2 grid. If you need help, please refer to our How to Access the Settings panel in TownVOTE video tutorial linked in the video description. Don't forget to select the Save button when you have set up the grid. You can choose the Set as Default option to make the new grid size standard for all agenda items. Next, turn on the settings which hide the vote values until the vote has been closed. These settings are Show Keypad ID, which displays the keypad ID on the participant grid, Show Names, which displays the participant's name on the grid, Show Vote Values, which decides whether or not to display the color associated with a participant's vote, and Delay Vote Values, which makes sure the vote values are only displayed after the vote has been closed. You can also turn off the keypad ID if all you need is the name of the person. Oftentimes, it is helpful to change the box color to white, so that the audience can see the grid the best. The resulting voting grid will look something like this. During the vote, and this is what the same screen would look like after the vote is closed. Thank you for watching this training on how to set up an identifiable vote in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.